Hello YouTube, how's it going? In today's video, we'll be discussing conversion from binary to decimal and to hexadecimal numbers. Before starting it, let me introduce you myself. My name is Abbas Khan and I'm a computer engineer. I'm working for a world-class high-tech company for over the last 10 years. So before further ado, let's jump into it. In this video, I'll teach you the easiest way to write those numbers, and I bet you won't forget it for the rest of your lives. First of all, what are binary numbers? Those numbers which has only two parts. So in this case, it's only 0 and 1. Decimal numbers are those which are used in our daily life. For example, 0 to infinity, and hexadecimal numbers are those which starts from 0 to 9 and then followed by from A to F. Now, how can we write those decimal numbers? First of all, write 8 zeros, then followed by 8 ones. In the second column, write 4 zeros, then 4 ones, again 4 zeros, and 4 ones. In the third column, write two zeros, two ones, two zeros, two ones, and then continue the process. In the last column, it should be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 up to the very end. Now, after writing all those four columns together, uh, it is very much understandable that these numbers mean something. Now, if you write 0 to 15 in the next column, that will be your decimal numbers. And then lastly, if you write from 0 to 9 and then from A to F in the next column, that will be your hexadecimal numbers. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.